Hey folks, I'm your man Yubi here at St.Albert Dodge. Thanks for sticking around and checking out the exterior walk around of this beautiful Rubicon. 2022, this thing is immaculate. Just over 16,000 kilometers on it. We got a nice aggressive aftermarket rims and tires. I definitely love the bumpers on these. We can detach these. So when you're off-road doing what Jeeps really like to do, climbing. Love the headlights. Got a camera up here for when you're on the trails. This thing comes equipped with a 3-liter eco diesel. So you know what that means. She's got the torque behind her too as well. We got our skid bar down here. Proximity control, key proximity entry. Check out those rims and tires, man. They're beautiful. And you come on back here. We got a backup camera. We got our recovery hooks down there because we're always towing the people out. We're never being towed. And we got that lovely Eco Diesel sign down there. Just look at this beautiful thing in the back. Lots of space, tie downs. And this thing's ready to go. Let's check out the interior. Hey folks, thanks for sticking around, checking out the interior of this beautiful Rubicon. We'll start right on over here. We got our power locks, power mirrors. We got our telescopic steering wheel. 16,391 kilometers. This thing does have adaptable cruise control, Bluetooth. On the back here, we got our radio on the left, volume on the right. This also comes with the heated steering wheel, heated seats, front and rear disconnect, sway bar, power windows. There's your auxiliary plug-ins. 8.4-inch screen. I do love the top. This thing also comes with the insulated top, which helps reduce the noise going down the road. This is a select option in here. When you're driving, place your phone in there, no worries. It won't be falling all over the place. But folks, you got to check out the beautiful stitching on this Rubicon leather. This thing is immaculate. It will not last long, folks. Also up here, we got all our fun gadgets, the door opener. We got our assist, SOS. Folks, if you like what you see, don't be afraid to give me a shout. That's Yubi here at St.Albert Dodge, 780-220-3822. Have a Jeep and good day.